Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reverse video on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok videos can range from basic point and shoot post to music videos and complex comedy skits. This massive variety of content and the platform's popularity is larger because of how TikTok editing tools make it possible to customize your videos without advanced knowledge and editing software from straight within the TikTok app. You can add filters, music, other video, and more to your clip. So, what if you want to reverse video on TikTok? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just start record, or you can just take video from your gallery. Well, I will just record it. Now you can start record. I will try this like this for example. Now, here's the before we reverse the video, we can go to effects. You can see there is an option effects. You can slide, you can go to time. There is an option reverse. You can just tap on that. And see the result. So here's the result. It's like magic, right? You can just tap on save. And here's your video, reversed video on TikTok. You can share it to your story or to your feed. I will try to share it to my story like this. So interesting, right? So that is how to reverse video on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.